Good evening to you all. Lisa Murkowski here. I'd like to thank you for letting me join you as you gathered together to show your support for Set Free Alaska and its mission. It's really remarkable to see what Ryan Ray, Phil Licht, and many others have done to build this substance abuse treatment center into what it is today. It is community-based organizations like Set Free Alaska that make the difference in the fight against substance abuse. We all know that here in Alaska, we face some very, very serious problems when it comes to drug and alcohol abuse. I have been deeply touched by some of the stories that I've heard, not just here in the Mat-Su Valley, but really all over the state. This epidemic is a scourge in our society, and it takes organizations like Set Free Alaska to bring the communities together as we work to address the crisis. It is paramount that we not only take efforts to provide treatment for substance abuse, but that we also educate and support our young people so that we can prevent abuse and ensure our children have a thriving future. I've been very encouraged by Set Free Alaska's teen program that focuses on early prevention and education for our young people. Know that while you work here at home, I'm working in D.C. to provide the support and the resources that will enable you to reach even more Alaskans. I was proud to co-sponsor the Comprehensive Addiction and Recovery Act, we call it CARA, which was signed into law by the President earlier this summer. This legislation provides for community-based solutions, improved research and understanding of prescribing practices. It establishes a pain management task force and supports educational outreach. And we recognize that while CARA is a step in the right direction, it's only one step. It's only the beginning of the work that is needed to fully address this epidemic. So that's why I'm also working in another area. I'm a co-sponsor of the Mental Health Reform Act that will work to improve access to behavioral and mental health treatment. It also supports behavioral and primary health integration and will include infants and babies within the defined scope of child psychiatry so that we can begin to provide intervention efforts even sooner. Early intervention and prevention must be part of our lasting solution, and that begins with our children. We must make sure that we're taking the steps to keep our kids happy and healthy, both physically and emotionally. And this is why efforts like the youth program by Set Free Alaska are so important. Again, thank you. Thank you for all that you are doing to shine light into the darkness and provide a much-needed service in the community. Know that the testimonies that have come out of Set Free Alaska are incredibly powerful. They make a difference. You make a difference. I thank you for your work to promote healthy families and healthy communities. Take care.